start getting real tonight. I have an idea. You know, go live. There's a chance that maybe they'll think they're going to be costume instead. They might try to step a middle skeleton. I wonder how that would work. Yeah, never mind.
Don't touch me, bird.
I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends have been more active and progressive. I think I did a peek of the cameras while I talked, just to be interestingly enough, Rick himself doesn't come on stage very often. I've heard he comes on more active in the dark though, so hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run anymore, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots... Hello. For today's lesson, we'll be continuing our training on proper handling techniques. When using an animatronic, animatronic parts are tightly compressed and fastened by the spring lock located on the inside of the system. It may take us a moment to manipulate the torso between these parts in a manner where you can move and speak. Try not to nudge or press against any of the spring locks inside the suit. Do not touch the spring lock at any time. Do not breathe on the spring lock. The moisture may loosen them and cause them to break loose. In the case that the spring locks come loose while you are wearing the suit, please let the suit away from populated areas before bleeding out. That does not ruin the customer experience. As always, if there is ever an emergency, please go to the designated. Every location is filled with one extra room, animatronic or security system. This room is hidden to customers, animatronic, and is always off camera.